Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Everything is fine? Okay, audio and video, no
Sir,
problem? Yes?
no, sir.
Okay, tell.
Sir, yesterday I have one question. That's why I have raised hand, but maybe you have not seen me. That's why.
No problem.
Sir, yesterday I have not clear. Sir, today I can ask.
Yes, why not? You can.
Sir, I have doubt in that direct object and indirect object.
Okay, no problem. Watch here.
Yes, sir.
This is visible.
Yes, sir.
Can you read?
Yes, sir.
This gift is living or non-living?
Sir, non-living.
This will be direct object. And me means what?
So me means
Subjective. This me is objective case. Can you please tell
yes,
me
sir.
subjective case of me?
I.
Like, yes, I. So I is what? Living or non-living?
Living.
It will be indirect object. Any
Okay, sir.
non-living object will be
Yes, sir.
direct. Any
Yes, sir.
living object will be
Indirect object.
C. Watch here. Watch one sentence.
Yes, sir.
Did you get my point?
Yes, sir.
Question is here. You gave me
Me
a gift.
gift.
Okay.
Sir.
So you gave what?
Gift.
The gift is what? Object.
Object.
And this is living or non-living?
Non-living. So it will be direct.
And
Okay, sir.
you gave
Yes, sir.
gift to whom?
To me.
Me only. So this me is what?
Indirect.
In one sentence, direct
Yes.
object can be also there, indirect
Yes.
object can be also there. And
Okay.
suppose that if two object you are getting,
Yes, sir.
so that will be ditransitive. That will be what?
Ditransitive.
Yes, ditransitive verb. If single verb you are getting, so monotransitive.
Okay, sir.
Single verb means monotransitive verb, two verb means ditransitive verb. Any problem till here?
No, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, beta. Vidya, you?
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Yes, ask your doubt.
Sir, yesterday you have said that you will be uploading the letter, but till now we didn't get, and I have completed this work.
Beta, today you will get. Okay, I did all the work, but I have to publish only by seeing few things. Okay, that I'll do today. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Very nice. Good. Excellent. Pratyusha. Yes, Pratyusha, beta, you can ask question. Beta Vidya, after asking the question, your hand must be down. Raise hand option. Pratyusha.
Sir, how many types of tenses are there?
Present tense, past tense, future tense. 3 only. Got it?
Okay, sir.
Okay, any other thing? Agrima Tripathi.
No, sir.
Yes, beta, you can ask Agrima. Agrima, you can speak. You are not speaking anything. Okay, your voice is not audible. Lavanya.
Sir, good morning, sir. Sir, if in a sentence tree is there, then that will be direct. In a sentence, if tree is there, so it will be direct or indirect.
Tree is there. Very nice. Like a sentence. Can you please tell me the sentence?
That is the tree of mango.
That is the tree of mango. Is there any main verb? That is. Any main verb is there or not?
Yes.
Very nice. Wow. Mute your device when you are doing anything. This is your question.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Is there any main verb? In this, first find out any main verb. No main verb. No main verb. See, if you are getting any main verb, so this main verb will be transitive or intransitive. This main verb will be transitive or intransitive verb. No main verb, so this means what? This is subject, this is helping verb, and these all are what?
Predicate.
Subject complement. This is what?
Subject complement.
Subject complement. To complete this subject, this is what? Only helping. These parts help only to complete the meaning of that. Okay, if tree will be there, so tree is considered in non-living or living object.
Sir, in science it is living, but in grammar it is non-living.
Not living. So you behave like that only. If it shows it is non-living, so direct object, otherwise it will be living, then it will be indirect object. Got it?
Okay, sir.
Okay, it will be indirect object. Okay, you will see the sentence only, then you can decide it.
Thank you, sir.
Pragyan,
Good morning, sir.
good morning, beta. Ask your doubt.
I want to ask that on page number 43 and on page number 47, you will publish that homework. No?
Today I'll publish. Today I'll publish.
And sir,
Okay.
one more thing I want to ask.
Yes.
And sir, one more thing that I want to ask. That if in a sentence two intransitive verb are there, then what we will call that?
Two intransitive verb.
Yes. Sir.
Can you please speak that sentence? Beta, if two verb will be there, transitive verb will be. If you are getting two verbs, so that will be ditransitive. Di means two. Ditransitive. This transitive, this will be what? Ditransitive. Okay? Got it? If single will be there, then mono. Monotransitive. Okay? It will be like this only. Yes, Parth. Beta, those who have asked the question, they can mute their device. Okay?
Hello.
Yes, beta.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Sir, what is the difference between present tense and past tense?
See, in present tense, you use first form of the verb. In past tense, you use second form of the verb. This is one difference. And present tense, currently you are doing any activity. Past tense, you have already done. Got it?
And sir, I can show my classwork copy.
Yes, you can show. First, raise your hand. That you are Parth.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Very nice. Same way you will do. Very nice. Few more things I'll give today. You can complete that one also. Excellent.
Okay.
Good. Netra, beta, you.
Good morning, sir. Sir, please mute to Divyansh Kumar Mishra. He is only coming in my screen.
Divyans. Divyans Kumar. Beta Divyans. Beta, I already did it. Shreyansi. Your voice is not audible, beta. Shaur Singh.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, beta. Ask your doubt.
So that total how much letters are coming in the exam?
Beta, I'll give you 2 letter only. Okay, 2 letter I'll give, that you will prepare. From there it will come only. Okay. Whatever 2 letters I'll give, that you will prepare.
Sir,
Yes.
Sir,
Ask the question.
good morning, sir.
Good morning, beta.
Sir, which essay will come in our exam?
Beta, 2 essays are there. One is mobile phone and one more is there. The match one is there. Okay, match is given there. Okay, that I'll tell you within 1 or 2 days. I'll tell you. You prepare mobile phone only. It is given in your book only. Mobile phone that you prepare. Okay. Ayushi Srivastava.
Sir, what is the difference between past participle and future tense?
Past participle. Can you give example of any past participle? You open that page. Verb 1. Page, lesson number 8. Please open. Lesson number 8.
Yes, sir.
Have you opened lesson number 8? Page number 45.
Yes, sir.
Okay. See, on the top it is given base form, past tense and past participle. See here.
In past participle and past, sir, what is the difference? By mistake, I said future, sir. Sorry.
Watch here. Watch. This is past tense.
Yes, sir.
This is
Past participle.
participle. And this is base form. What is this?
Base form.
So this is suppose that play.
Played,
This is
played, and again played. So, sir, what is the difference between past participle and past?
one sentence I am writing here.
You played well.
Get my point?
Yes.
This one is V2. V2 is past tense. And this one is
V3.
V3 means this participle. So participle is coming. So what will come?
Have.
Have or has or had. These 3 things can come. Here, HAD had, either HAS has or HAVE has. With these forms. Okay? Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay? No problem?
No, sir. Thank you, sir.
Agrima? Beta, again your voice is not coming. First unmute your device. By doing like this, nothing will happen. Unmute your device. Beta, one button is there. You press that button. Nothing is coming. Okay, you can call me. You can talk to your class teacher. Take my number. Okay, then call me. Okay. Pragyan.
Sir, I want to say that I have submitted the copy of English 1, but you have not checked the summer assignment.
Okay, no problem. You give it. Okay. Again, soon we will check the copy. Okay, I'll see. If it is not checked, I'll check it. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
And I'll see whether you have written now or when you have written. Okay, that I'll see. Sivans.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, we can make a essay by own.
Yes, you can make essay by own. Okay, no problem. Mobile phone essay is given in the book. First you read, and after reading you can write. Again you read, again write. See how many things you are making wrong there. Okay, again correct it, again write, again correct it, like this only. Mobile phone you prepare. Ansika.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, beta. Your question?
Sir, we can prepare the mobile phone essay from the book.
Yes, you can prepare, no problem. Okay, one time you read only, thereafter you write. Again, maybe any problem. Again you read, again you write. Okay, 2-3 times you will do, it will be okay only. Nilesh.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, beta.
Sir, I have to ask that, sir, in any essay we can add some items or phrases.
Yes, you can add, no problem. That gives good sounds only. Okay, you will get
Okay.
good marks only in that.
Okay.
Any other thing?
No, sir.
But don't write Sairi.
Okay, sir.
Avika Singh.
Sir, I want to ask that, sir, what is this class timings?
Last timing, beta, you didn't get the message.
Sir,
Beta, class time is already your class teacher has published. Okay, it is start 7:15 first class. Okay, then 45 minutes, and after this 30-minute gap, again next period, like this only. 30-minute gap between 1-2 period. Anmol. Anmol, beta, you can ask the question. Anunay.
Sir, we can write the essay on any match.
Tell again, please.
Sir, you have said now that on essay they're on match.
Yes, you can write. Of any match you can write. But what is given first of all in the book, okay, that you see.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, now this much only. Okay. Vriddhi, you want to ask anything?
Sir, I have to ask that one essay only we have to learn about both.
Just see. Actually, in our syllabus, 2 essays are there. So you have to prepare both only. Okay, mobile phone also, that one also. We don't know which one can come. Okay.
Okay.
Now, this is to Anmol. Last Anmol only.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. You can ask your question.
Sir, I have to say, I'm saying that I came in the class, sir, 10 minutes late. Sir, can you explain me what you have said?
The only doubt cleared only. Okay, I did not explain anything.
I
Now
told
I'm
only
going-
doubt clear.
Yes, doubt clear was there. Okay, no problem. Okay, listen now carefully. Watch everyone. See, rest all the doubt later. Okay, or in next class we'll see. Okay, this is okay till this much. Now today we are going to start next lesson. Please open everyone. Page number 49, or leave that. Leave that. Nothing. Do not open anything. Do not open. Watch here, everyone. Whatever I am writing, please watch here. See here. 2 things I am going to tell. Okay. Can you read this? Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, sir.
Yes, ma'am. Okay. No problem.
Sorry, sir. Yes, sir.
Can you read this?
Pattern, structure.
Carefully see everyone. What is pattern? Okay, Swarni Srivastava.
Yes, sir.
Beta, do not unmute your device. Okay, be like that only. Okay. Yes, Celestine.
Yes, sir.
You be like that only. If I'll ask the question, you will reply only. Okay. See, whatever we are going to do, that I'll tell you later. But whatever I am explaining here, that you understand carefully. One is pattern, second is structure. So pattern means, suppose that, where is Shwarni? Raise
Yes,
your
sir.
hand.
Yes, sir.
Raise your hand only, raise hand option. Okay. Beta, do you know how to prepare tea?
What, sir?
How to prepare tea, coffee, tea.
Yes, sir. Coffee, I know.
Can you please tell me something?
So first of all, we take a cup and then we pour a little bit of coffee in that, coffee powder, and then we put a little bit of water in that. We mix it properly, and then from upside, means from outer side, we just put a bit of milk and we stir it, and our coffee is ready.
Can you please tell me the component, whatever component you use there, can you please tell me the name of that component?
Yes, sir. I use glass, I use coffee powder, I use milk, I use water, and I use a spoon.
Okay. See, this was what component only. As the same way, when you are creating means, see here. What I have written here?
Making sentence.
See, if you, I, anyone is studying English, so that is one goal only, one aim only. The aim is what?
Making sentence.
Sentence. Whatever sentence you will make, okay, that must be our goal. Whatever sentence you are making, so that sentence you can write also. So making sentence means for the purpose of writing, for the purpose of speaking. That is ultimate goal of English grammar. Okay. So now you told already, when you prepare coffee, so few component you use. Okay, a few component you use. That component already you told 4 or 5 it was. So as the same way, when we talk about pattern, so in pattern 3 important components are there. In pattern, how many important components are there?
3.
3. One, do you know this one?
Yes, sir.
Can you read this?
Subject, verb, and object.
This is what? This is
Pattern.
pattern. Pattern of what? Any
Making sentence.
sentence. Okay, you 100%. If you are creating any sentence, so you will get one subject, you will get one verb, you will get one object. This is about pattern. So this is the element of the pattern, the component of the pattern. Is there any problem till here?
No, sir.
This is one thing, and this is also known as basic pattern. This is also known as basic pattern. These are all known as what? Basic pattern. If someone is asking what is basic pattern in English grammar, so subject will be there, verb will be there, object will be there. Till here, any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. Now, next important thing. Can you read this?
subject plus verb plus
Let's see, this one also.
subject plus verb first form plus es plus object.
SOES plus object. Beta, what is this?
Structure.
Structure. Did you get the difference between structure or pattern?
Yes, sir.
Okay, structure will be like this. Okay, one structure is like this only. Second will be Are you getting this one?
Yes, sir.
This is what basically the structure. Okay, it is what basically the structure only. When you solve, see, basically I am going to explain about tense only. I'm going to explain about tense. So in tense, three things you have to understand. Three things you have to understand. One is pattern, second is structure, third one is uses. Pattern, structure, and uses. Okay, any tense means present tense, past tense, future tense. So if you are studying this one, so how many things you have to understand?
Three things.
Three things. First one,
Pattern.
Pattern means subject will be there, verb will be there, object will be there. If we talk about structure, so structure means this one only. You have to understand these structures. Okay, that in present tense, present continuous, which structure will be there? Past continuous, so which structure will be there? Okay, and thereafter future continuous, so what structure will be there? Are you getting or not?
Yes, sir.
You have to understand this one. After understanding that one, the last one is what?
Uses.
Uses. The last one is what?
Uses.
Uses. So if you are knowing these three things, so in tense there is no any problem. So today we are going to start tense only. If in 3 words we define the tense, so it will be like this. Did you get this?
Yes, sir.
Tense shows
Time.
time. It means that if you are going to start anything about this, so tense shows only what?
Time.
Time. And about time, you know very well. Okay. For example, I already see here. Can you read this?
Go, went, gone.
Is this telling about time or not?
Yes, sir.
Is this telling about time or not?
Yes, sir.
Telling about what? Which time?
Past.
And this is?
Present.
One?
Future.
Perfect. Future, I told already, no verb for future. I already told. To predict any verb, there is no verb. But to predict future, no verb is there. Understood?
Yes, sir.
We have two only. This is for present and this is for past and this is for perfect only. Perfect of present tense, perfect of past tense only. Till here, any doubt?
No, sir.
No issue?
No, sir.
Okay, as the same way, if you take this one only, look. So look can change into look. And here,
Looked.
look. Again, you can see,
Saw.
saw, here
Seen.
Beta, so this is what? See, sometimes you are getting this ed. What you are getting?
Ed.
Ed. So D or ed in verb we have already done. If D is there or ed is there. So whether it can be past tense or past participle, it can be. Second form is considered as past tense. Okay. And third form known as past participle. Till here, any doubt to anyone?
No, sir.
No problem till here. So basically we are going to start tense only. In tense we understood tense shows what?
Time.
And time, have you seen the time?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now one more thing you tell here. Okay, think about that. Think about this. Anyone?
12 a.m. or p.m.
No? Any other thing? Yes, Pratap? Yes. Beta, you can think. Swarni, any other thing can be.
Yes, sir.
Sanskar? Yes. This 12 means what?
Sir, 12 means there are 3 tenses and they are, the 3 tenses are of 4 kinds.
Swarni, did you get point?
Yes, sir.
Okay. See, this will be 3 into 4.
4.
So 3 means what? So this is 3.
Yes, sir.
Each have how many?
4.
So do you know the meaning of this 12? That is 4. That is okay, no problem. Okay, 12, everyone is knowing this 12. But what is this 12?
Sir, simple present tense.
This 12, read this 12.
Different ways to express time.
Understood now?
Yes, sir.
This 12 means 4 you are getting here, 4 you are getting here, 4 you are getting here. So this is what basically? This is 4, 4, 4, 4. Different ways to express what?
Time.
Time. Understood this one?
Yes, sir.
Means we have 12 different ways to tell, to express about the time. Like sometime we took what? Future continuous. So this is also way of saying we use what? The helping verb, the verb of future continuous. Thereafter I express the thing. Understood my point or not?
Yes, sir.
This 12 does not mean this one. See, I'm going to erase this one. See here, watch carefully everyone. This is our main point. In first semester, listen, in first semester, watch here everyone, please pay attention. In first semester, all the question of present tense will come. So in detail, we'll understood this one only, present tense. Okay? No problem till here?
No, sir.
Okay.
Sir, I can mute myself.
Why? Any problem? If anything is there in your background that is running, okay, that you can, no problem.
No, sir, there is no problem.
No issue. See, why I have written like this, do you know? We have to fill here. What we will fill?
Present.
Simple present.
Present continuous tense. Present perfect tense. Present perfect continuous tense.
Any problem?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay, can I write past here?
Yes, sir.
Tell.
Simple past tense, past continuous tense, past perfect tense, past perfect continuous tense.
Future.
Yes, sir. Simple future tense, future continuous tense, future perfect tense, future perfect continuous tense.
Any problem till here?
No, sir.
Understood my point?
Yes, sir.
This was the reason I wrote like this only. Okay, so you have to understand this one. And present tense means what? Present tense also what?
Shows time.
What time? Which time it will be?
Present time.
Understood my point or not?
Yes, sir.
If anyone is asking past tense, so shows time. Which time?
Past time.
Okay, future tense shows time. Which time?
Future coming time.
Future
Coming
time
time.
only. Okay, future means prediction of future, what we will do. Okay, understood these things?
Yes, sir.
So this is about tense only. If someone is asking what is tense, so tense shows time. Present tense shows present time. Past tense shows past time. Future tense shows future time. Understood this one?
Yes, sir.
And these types also you understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, another important thing you see. Can you read this?
Sir, present.
No, pattern.
Oh, sorry. Pattern, structure, and
Exercise.
exercise.
Example.
Example.
Okay. And of what?
Simple present tense.
In simple present, what you will get? This you will get or not?
Yes, sir.
So this is pattern only.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I have written here one example. He goes to
Market.
market. This is example or not?
Yes, sir.
What is this?
He is subject.
Yes, he is subject. And what is this?
Goes is verb.
Verb plus s or es we can tell.
Yes, sir.
And this is?
To market is object.
No. He goes what or whom? Answer is coming.
Yes, sir.
He goes what? He goes whom? Answer is coming. No relevant. Okay. Here you will not get any. This to market is not object. It's
Okay,
other word only. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So here, see whatever you are writing here, this subject you write here. Thereafter verb. Which verb this is?
A verb first form.
S or es. Thereafter other word. This is what? Is structure. This is what?
Structure.
Can you please tell me one more sentence?
I do not eat.
That is affirmative. That is what? Affirmative.
I like to eat.
This is affirmative. And this one I am erasing. Here can I write like this? He does not eat mango. This is what? Negative. He does not eat mango. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
So what is this, beta?
He subject.
Subject. And what is this? Does not?
Does not verb.
Does or do. Thereafter not. Either you write do, either you write does. Anything you can write. Whether you write does or do. that I'll tell you where you will use does, where you will use do. So, and thereafter this eat. He eat what?
Mango.
Form 1 plus object.
Object.
So, did you get my point? How you can create the structure?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Can you create the structure?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay, in rough copy you will do. Okay, 5 question you will take, any 5 question. Okay, see how it will be. Watch here. This you understood or not?
Yes, sir.
In all the 5 question you will write like this only.
Okay, sir.
Okay, you have to practice this one. If you will practice, then you will be successful in this. See
Okay.
here. First of all, we are going to discuss about this subject only. Yeah, time till 10:30.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay, no problem. Last you see. Subject. Can you please tell me what is this? Anyone?
The present, past, and future.
No.
First form, second form, third form.
Now, what is this? We are going to understand about subject. What we are going to understand?
Subject.
Subject. Carefully listen now. When you start writing any sentence, when you start speaking any sentence, so you need what?
Subject.
Subject. Person, you know, first person, second
Yes,
person,
Yes, sir.
third person.
Yes.
Understood my point?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So first person I and we,
Yes, sir.
second person you, and third person he, she, it, this, that, singular noun. This singular noun is Ajay, Rakesh, Mahesh. This is what singular noun. And P for what? Plural. So plural can be they, it can be any plural noun, right? Ajay and Parth. That is plural noun only. Understood my point or not?
Yes, sir.
So these all 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. These all are what? Subject. And have you heard this one? May I erase this all?
Yes, sir.
Have you seen this?
Yes, sir.
Somebody.
This is also what? Singular subject. This is also
Singular
Singular
subject.
subject.
SS means what? Singular subject. A person will be what? Which person?
Singular person. Third
Third
person.
person.
Yes, sir.
In third person you will get. So somebody, thereafter somebody, someone, something like this. Nobody, no one, nothing. Anybody, anyone, anything. Have you heard this one?
Yes, sir.
Okay, and every will be also there. Every will be also here. Everybody, everyone, everything. Understood now?
Yes, sir.
So with one you are getting 3 things here. So these all are what? Third person singular subject. These all third person singular subject. Okay, till here any doubt?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay, so in any sentence it will work like a subject only. Rest all the thing. Okay, about this tense, we will do in our next session. Till here, any doubt to anyone?
Sir, I had a doubt. Sir, in third person, you told that they was an example. So, sir,
What? Once again, please.
sir, in third person, when you were making the chart,
Okay.
you wrote that they and plural noun was an example of them. So, sir, we can use the them and those also.
Yes, many you can use. I have written only few. Okay. All the plural you can write. No problem in this. Okay. You can write. That is means here you have to understand. Plural means what? More than one. So all will be there in case of that. But you have to understand here which one can be third person, I and we. First, use second person, leaving all. It can leaving all means this much it will be.
Yes. Sir.
This much it will be. So some singular, some plural. But these are what? Subject only. Yes, Celestine?
Sir, I had no doubt.
No doubt. Very nice. Good. Why no doubt?
Sir, you teach me then.
Means you got all the point. No problem. Okay. Thank you. Netra.
Welcome. Good morning, sir. Sir,
Your question?
I want to ask that. Sir, I want to ask that in essay there will be option will be there.
Beta, that I cannot tell. Okay. Option can be there, can't be there. Okay. That I cannot tell. See, be laborious only. Watch here, everyone. Be laborious. When you will be like that, so anything will be there. Okay. You can solve. And if you will be lazy, so nothing you will get. Okay. Do hard and smart both the work. Okay. Vidya. Anshika, watch only cell phone. No problem. See.
Sir, you have written on the board PTC. Sir, what is the meaning of PTC?
P for pattern and S, where S I have written, beta. P for pattern, S for structure, E, X for example.
PTC.
PTC.
Sir, she is asking for present continuous tense, means perfect continuous tense.
See, P for what? Present, okay, and perfect, thereafter continuous. Present perfect continuous. It was that. Thank you, Swarni. Okay. Now, any other thing? Anmol, beta, rest all the thing. Okay, you do not worry. Then next class will be there. Okay, I'll clear your doubt. Okay, don't worry about that. Whatever I told, please revise that. Do not leave anything. Please revise that. Okay. Revise means what? You write subject, then thereafter, first of all, structure, pattern, example. This you write and try to find out structure, how structure can be. Make a sentence and write down the structure. Okay, this is the way. It is already given in your book, but one time you practice by your own. Okay, thank you so much, everyone. Rest all the thing in next class. Thank you.